I'm not that stupid. No.
Is to.
Ano?
Register niyo siya sa City Sports. Ano ko siya swimming.
No, not swimming. I said taekwondo.
Ang mahal nga ng uniform eh.
But ma, I don't like swimming. Don't you know that I have a phobia on the swimming pool? Like deep pool.
Bakit?
Because I have thalassophobia.
Mura?
You have what?
Ano yan?
Stop, you're making me laugh.
What kind of phobia do you have?
Thalassophobia.
Thalassophobia? Can you Google that, please?
I don't know that.
Ano yun?
Ano?
Google mo nga, thalassophobia.
Homophobia?
What does it mean?
Homophobia, it's homophobic. Like, don't like you.
Baka hydrophobia.
Phobia?
Telephobia.
Natakot ka sa ano?
Not
Telesophobia
telephobia,
daw.
thalassophobia. Thalas, it's
Ano spelling? P-H-A.
Paano naghintay yun? Ito yun.
Thalassophobia. Thalassophobia.
Ano ba? I understand, don't put your, because it's so
Is
dirty.
the persistent instant of fear of deep bodies.
Galing nga. Talino nito.
The persistent and intense fear
Ano
of
ba?
deep bodies of water such as ocean and
Talino
lakes.
mo. Di ka alam yun ha.
Very closely related to thalassophobia, should not be confused with aquaphobia, which is classified as fear of water itself. Kasi aquaphobia, kasi takot ka sa tubig.
Oh.
Yung takot siya sa ilalim.
Sa ilalim ko sa malalim.
Sa malalim.
Grabe! Is that you?
How do you know that?
No, kasi ano siya, nagsusearch siya.
Taong laging nag-google ang matalinong tao. At matalino ka, mag-google ka
Nagsusearch
pa rin.
siya. Kumbaga,
Dapat sinesearch mo pa rin
interesado
yung
siya
mga
sa ano,
bagay-bagay.
interesado siya sa mga bagay-bagay na ano.
Hindi ka,
Kumbaga, pag may
pag may alam mo na lahat.
Ang galing! Uy, I am so amazed.
It's not afford. It's afford.
Afford.
Ano ba? Your butt is so sticky. Yuck. I don't harang-harang because they take a video of me.
Tayo sa ano.
He is harang-harang my face.
Black. You know that, pero harang-harang.
I said it was
Ano yung black and black?
sarcasm.
He is blasting black and black.
Blasting.
Pang-request mo.
Tawa ni Nano.
Sino na, no?
Nano na ha?
Ay, naku, naging masaya naman ang araw ko ngayon na to. Alhamdulillah. Thank you, Bang. Kaya namimiss kita eh.